Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file EGM online. First, gather all necessary shipping documents, including the bill of lading and invoice. Next, ensure your company is registered on the designated government portal. We will then walk through the login process and prepare to input your manifest details. This guide aims to simplify the entire online filing procedure for you. Before you begin, meticulously gather all required documents like the bill of lading, commercial invoice, and packing list. Double-check that all information, especially consignee and consignor details, is accurate and consistent across every document. Any discrepancies could lead to delays. Confirm that your cargo descriptions are precise and match your physical goods. Once logged into the official portal, navigate to the EGM filing section. You will find a form where you need to input all manifest details, including vessel information, cargo specifics, and port of discharge. Take your time to accurately fill in each field. Before proceeding, thoroughly review all entered data to catch any errors or omissions. After a final review, submit your EGM form electronically. The system will provide a confirmation receipt or a unique reference number. Make sure to save this for your records. This number is crucial for tracking your submission status. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep an eye on the portal for any status updates or requests for further information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.